Hello everyone. If you are connecting Supabase to your app, there is a few key things you will need: your database URL, your APIs keys, your project IDs. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find each one. Open your database project, and at the top of the dashboard, you will see this button. Click on the connect sheet. This button open a panel with the swirl tab: framework, MCP, server, ORM, and direct. This just give you the connection code formatted differently depending on how you are connecting. For example, the ORM tab, if you are using something like Prisma, right, then you will see something like this one: database URL and direct URL. No matter which tab you pick, you will see two connection string. The first one is called database URL, and this connect to the Postgres through the shared transaction mode polar, and it's run on port 6543. For most app, I would recommend using this polar connection since it's handle multiple connection more efficiently than connecting directly, right? And the second one, we have like a direct URL. This use the session mode polar on port 5432, and this one is mainly used for running migration. Both of these will have a placeholder that say like your password, and you need to replace that with the database password you saved when you first created your project. If you don't remember it, you can always reset it from database setting page. Next, we will see about the APIs key. So for this purpose, we need to click project setting, then go to the APIs key, and here you can see there is a publishable and secret key, and also we have a legacy and anon key. For anything running in the browser, use the publishable and anon key. There is a save to expose, but the secret and service role key should only ever be used on your server, never in the front-end code, since this will give you the full access to your database. Also, if you want to find, for example, project ID, then you can click on the journal. You will find your project ID, project region, as well as your project name. So one more important thing to remember: never expose your database password or your service role key in your front-end code. The project URL and the public API key are safe to use in the browser, but your database connection string and secret key should only ever be used on the server side. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your database URL, APIs key, and connection detail in Supabase. If this helped, subscribe for more Supabase tutorials and let me know in the comments what you are building next. See you in the next video. Thank you.